If you've been wondering what's really happening in coastal Orange County real estate right now, you're in the right place. It's mid-November 2025, and while most people think the market winds down for the holidays, the coast is telling a different story. Inventory is dropping, buyers are still active, and rates are holding steady. Let's break it all down in plain English. So here's the big picture. Inventory across our coastal communities dropped 4.4% over the last 2 weeks. We're now at 720 active listings, down from 753. But here's the twist. Buyer demand didn't slow down. In fact, pending sales ticked up from 206 to 209. That means we have fewer homes available, but just as many people trying to buy them. Now let's talk about mortgage rates. As of November 10th, the average 30-year fixed rate is around 6.34%. It nudged up slightly, but it's still right where it's been since late October. So if you're buying, your monthly payment probably hasn't changed much. And if you're selling, that rate stability is helping keep buyers in the game. Rates are bouncing around a bit because of economic news. And with the government shutdown still in flux, there's some uncertainty. But here's the deal. The bond market is what really drives mortgage rates. And when that market feels confident, rates stay steady. When it's spooked, rates can jump. So if you're buying soon, keep an eye out and think about locking in when you find the right place. Newport Beach had the biggest inventory drop, 11% in just 2 weeks. But demand held firm with 23 homes going pending. Over half the homes sold here in the last 30 days were all cash. If you're thinking of selling, remember this. Homes that sell in under 15 days are getting, on average, 100% of asking. But if you miss the mark on price and presentation, statistics say that you could end up selling for 5 to 6% less. Laguna Niguel is the hottest market on the coast. Inventory bumped up slightly, but so did buyer activity. 13 new pendings in 2 weeks, and 54% of homes are selling fast and at full price. It's a great area for buyers who want coastal access without Newport prices. Dana Point is heating up too. 16 homes went pending in the last 14 days. That's a 23% jump over the previous 14-day reporting. With a median home price around $2.7 million, it offers a strong value for coastal living. Now here's the surprise. Laguna Beach saw pending sales more than double, from 7 to 15. That's a big shift for a luxury market that typically moves slowly. It shows that buyers are getting serious about high-end homes, especially if they're priced right. CDM stayed steady with 88 homes on the market, 4 new pendings, and a bump in cash sales. It's a boutique market with very selective buyers, but activity is still healthy. Okay, let's talk cash. About 1 in 3 buyers in coastal OC right now are paying in full, no mortgage. That's huge. Why does that matter? Cash buyers can close faster, sometimes in as little as 10 to 14 days. But here's what the data shows. Even cash buyers are paying full price if the home is new to market and priced right. The only discounts happening are on homes that have been sitting. If you're thinking of selling, your biggest decision is how you price your home. Properties that sell quickly are going for 99 to 100% of asking. But wait too long and you could lose up to 6% off your price. For a $2 million home, that's as much as $120,000. So price smart, stage well, and don't wait until spring when competition floods the market. For buyers, you've still got a window, but it's narrowing. With inventory dropping and rates staying steady, this is the time to act. Look at homes that have been sitting more than 30 days. That's where you'll find room to negotiate. And if you're financing, make sure your offer is rock solid. Pre-approval in hand, short timelines, and minimal contingencies. You're competing with cash, so you need to shine. Heading into the holidays, we usually see things slow down, but this year could be different. Rates are stable, buyers are still out there, and cash buyers don't care about the calendar. If you wait until January, you're facing more competition. Right now, there are fewer homes on the market and fewer looky-loos. The buyers that are out are serious. If you're a seller, that means less properties to compete with and a greater chance of connecting with motivated buyers ready to act. So here's the takeaway. Coastal Orange County is holding strong this November. If you're ready to buy or sell, don't wait for the perfect moment, because it might already be here. I'm here to help you make a smart, confident move, whether you're downsizing, upsizing, or finding your dream spot by the beach. Scan the code or click the link to schedule a quick Zoom. Let's talk about your next step.